so much debate when it comes to what humans are really designed to eat. Omnivorous eaters will often bring up the vitamin B12 issue when vegans make the case that we're designed to be plant eaters. Meat eaters will argue that because vegans have to take a B12 supplement, it proves that we're supposed to be omnivores and get our vitamin B12 from animal flesh and animal products. But it's not actually as straightforward as this, because we really need to look at where vitamin B12 originally comes from. So let's hear now from Dr. Michael Greger as he addresses these very issues. The audio quality isn't great, so there are subtitles available for this next clip.
Vitamin B12, which is a vitamin not made by plants, but it's not made by animals either. It's made by tiny microbes that blanket the earth. We probably used to get all we needed drinking out of a mountain stream or well water, but now we chlorinate our water supply to kill off the bacteria. So we don't get a lot of B12 in our water anymore. We don't get a lot of cholera either. And so in this kind of hygienic world, in a sanitized world, which again is a very good thing, that's the one kind of Achilles heel, but it's just because, we aren't eating, bugs, dirt, and feces anymore, but that's a good thing. Unless one is eating bacteria-laden animals and products from those animals, one needs to get their B12 somewhere. And so the safest way to get it is through B12 supplements or B12 fortified foods, but it's just so easy. And you can't get too much of it. You just pee it right out. It's cheap, about $5 a year, get all the B12 you need. And that's kind of your ticket to get all the amazing benefits in terms of astoundingly low, obesity rates and diabetes rates and heart disease and some types of stroke, some types of cancer. The vast majority of people with B12 deficiency are meat eaters over the age of 50. So the American Academy of Neurology says that everybody after the age of 50 needs to take, B12 fortified foods or B12 supplements, because there's actually kind of an epidemic of B12 deficiency among our elderly. The Framingham offspring study, for example, showed that many meat eaters, even in their 30s and 40s, are B12 deficient. And that study, the people with the best B12 status weren't the people eating meat, dairy, and eggs. It was the people eating breakfast cereal. They all have B12 added to them. We're finding out that animal products are not such good sources. After all, a very small percentage of the B12 is actually bioavailable. And when we think of deficiencies, when the media says, what are vegans deficient in? No one asks the meat eaters what they're deficient in, and they're deficient 5, maybe 7 nutrients in many studies. The very few nutrients that vegans, vegetarians would run into problems with. And you have to ask, well, wait a second, where are the meat eaters getting their fiber? Where are they getting their vitamin C found in plant foods? And where are they getting their folate and their phytonutrients and many of the minerals found in greens and beans and nuts?
In that research Dr. Greger mentioned, the 7 deficiencies that the average meat-eating American had were calcium, iodine, vitamin C, vitamin E, fiber, folate, and magnesium. Interestingly, vegans were shown to have higher intakes of 16 out of the 19 nutrients studied. So I guess it's fair, according to this research, when a meat eater asks you, where do you get your B12? To say, where do you get your magnesium, vitamin C, fiber, vitamin E, and folate? Dr. Greger has written an incredible book called How Not to Die. It's now available in Swedish, Spanish, Danish, German, Italian, as well as an audiobook. Links to buy the book will be in the description below, along with the link to his outstanding website, nutritionfacts.org. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. If you want to see what I'm eating, follow me on Instagram at 801010 in London.